Here's a simple little proof that you can give to some of your friends when they start claiming that we live on a flat Earth. And this was actually done by Aristotle in the year roughly 340 BC, so well over 2,000 years ago. He was a very clever guy, and he developed a system of tests that he could use to demonstrate that we lived on a spherical Earth, which we do. And so one of the tests that he came up with was to look out into the distance and watch as a sailboat sails away into the horizon. And so he said that if we live on a round Earth, what you would see is when you look out, you would see the sailboat. The sail would be kind of sticking up over the horizon. But as it keeps going further and further along this curved Earth, you would see that sail start to dip below the horizon line, and eventually it would be out of your sight. So you would just kind of gradually see this, the top of the sail kind of drop further and further until it's beneath the horizon. And he went out, he stood on some shore, and he watched a boat sail away, and that's exactly what he saw. But then he said, okay, on a flat Earth, the way that would work is you would kind of look out and see this sailboat drifting away, and it would gradually appear to be smaller and smaller because it's getting further and further away from you, but you wouldn't see the top of the sail start to dip below the horizon. Instead, what you'd see is the size of the sailboat keeps diminishing until eventually it just looks like a speck. But it would always appear to diminish straight, and you would not see this drop of the sail here. And so this very simple test is all the proof you really need. Now there are dozens of other proofs you could do, but even something as simple as this has been done since over 2,000 years ago, and it's one of many proofs that we have that we live on a round Earth.